You look in the back here, it's pretty nasty, full of carbon and smoke. We're lucky enough, FridayParts got us a muffler. Thanks to them for sending that to us that we can try out their parts. We're gonna see what's inside here. Clamp. And exhaust pipe. Nice and flexible. Gasket. Actually, there's 2 gaskets in here. Gaskets. Okay, there's the exhaust. Alright, finally got this off. Got the old stuff all out. Now we're gonna try to get the new stuff in. So here's the old one. It's all rusted through all around. Nice thing about this new one, it doesn't require the clamps anymore. But yeah, overall, there's the new one. Here's the old one. Alright, so first things first, here's this flex pipe. Alright, motor 2 fits in. The battery's not quite charged, so I'm going to boost it, but I'll start it up and see how it sounds.